Most Americans don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because they were never taught how wealth actually works. You can make $60,000, $100,000, even $200,000 a year, and still be financially trapped. This isn't about laziness. It's about a system most people don't even realize they're inside. Welcome to Silent Empire. In America, income is celebrated. A six-figure salary feels like success, but income is not wealth. Income is temporary. Wealth is ownership. Most people trade time for money. The wealthy trade assets for money. That's the first difference. Employees focus on raises. The wealthy focus on leverage. The average American lifestyle is financed. Cars, homes, credit cards, subscriptions. Debt creates the illusion of wealth while quietly draining future income. The wealthy use debt too, but they use it to buy assets. Average earners use debt to buy liabilities. That difference compounds for decades. High income often increases spending. Better apartment, better car, luxury vacations. Lifestyle expands with salary, but investments rarely expand at the same speed. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it keeps millions stuck. Wealthy individuals think differently. Before upgrading lifestyle, they upgrade ownership. Stocks, businesses, real estate, equity, assets produce income without time. That's the turning point, when money works harder than you do. Most people were raised to seek safety. Stable job, stable income, stable life. But wealth is built through controlled risk. Ownership requires uncertainty, and uncertainty scares most people. That fear becomes invisible chains. The wealthy don't look rich at first. They look disciplined. They delay gratification. They reinvest profits. They think in decades, not months. That's the real secret. Not income, not luck, not privilege, perspective. If you found this valuable, subscribe to Silent Empire, because the rules of wealth aren't obvious, but they are learnable. And once you see them, you can't unsee them.